Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Enable location services and give the Map app permission to access your location. Open the Map app you'll use, Google Maps or Apple Maps, and sign in if prompted. Once done, check that mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so the map can refresh. If you're on battery saver, disable it temporarily because real-time sharing needs continuous updates. Now find the blue dot that represents you. That dot confirms the app is tracking your live position, and you're ready for the next step. Tap your blue dot or open the app menu and choose Share Location to begin. Then pick the duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or custom, because time limits balance privacy and usefulness. Select a specific contact from your list for private sharing, or create a shareable link if multiple people need access. Once you choose recipients, the app often shows a preview of how the recipient will see your location. Make sure the preview matches your intent. After sending, keep the app running in the background so updates continue. Confirm the recipient can view your live location by asking for a quick reply or checking the app's active sharing list. You'll usually see who's viewing you. Monitor the feed briefly to ensure the blue dot moves as you do. When you're done, stop sharing from the same Share Location menu to revoke access immediately. If sharing fails, make sure app permissions, GPS accuracy, background app refresh, and connectivity are all enabled, and check battery optimization settings that may suspend updates. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.